Abigail. Abigail, stop. Come on, Munchkin. Get that kitty cat. Abigail. Abigail, stop. What's that? Oh. Is that Abigail's tail? Say, Abigail, what you doing? Say, Abigail, you look like a little cow. Get her, Gavin. Uh-oh. This doesn't look like it's going to end well. Abigail, you need to move. So Gavin can... Okay. Don't pull her... Don't... Abigail, stop it. We can't pull her tail. She's going to hiss at us. Go get that kitty cat. Go get him. Come on. Look, come on here. Come get Mommy's hand. Abigail, Tori. Come on. Abigail, he's gonna pull your tail again. What's she doing in front of you? What is she doing? It's okay. Okay. Crawl to Mommy. Crawl to Mommy. Abigail, move. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No.